Calibrating a clamp meter with the 5080A multi-product calibrator. Calibrating current clamps requires a coil. This is a Fluke Calibration 50-turn current coil. This is a Fluke 322 clamp meter. We'll demonstrate calibration to 250 amps. Connect the current coil to the 5080A calibrator. Use the 20 amp terminal and the aux low terminal to output currents of 5 amps. 3 amps and above require the use of the 20 amp terminal. First, connect the wires. Now select the appropriate function and range for the clamp meter. Put the clamp meter in the coil. Set the 5080A to output 5 amps and frequency to 50 Hz. Press the Enter key. As a 50-turn coil is used, the total output is 250 amps. 5 amps 50 Hz shows on the main display. Look up inductance compensation, or LComp, on the 5080A's control display. Select LComp on. Next, press the Operate key to output. Examine the test results. The clamp meter displays 248.8 amps. Now we can turn the knob to adjust the 5080A's output and make the clamp meter display exactly 250 amps. The clamp meter's error is displayed on the control display. You can also choose not to adjust the 5080A's output and directly record the clamp meter's measurement results and calculate the error manually.